Go ahead and turn up the volume on this. Play.
Go ahead, Miyoung. You need a life jacket, guys.
What is this editing? What the heck? How do you guys even clip that? How does he find the clip? How does he find the clip to even edit that? Are you kidding? Wait, what? That was like for... It feels sick because that doesn't even make sense. That is wild to me. I just need to see that one more time. Okay, can I explain? Can I just explain? It's because okay, let me stop. Let me explain. I used to eat bananas like this as a kid. I don't eat it like this every time, okay? But sometimes, like the texture, if you eat around it first, right? And then you take the bite after you eat around it, it's like the texture is crazy. And it's like smooth. And that's not like the texture of a banana. But when you eat it like that, it's sick and it's awesome. And if you don't understand, no, don't. No, this is sick. What is happening here? Garrett, don't look. Don't. No, whoa. Call the Twitch police. No. Listen, no, you don't. No, whoa. This is wild. This is crazy. Okay. You guys, no, you guys can't be typing "huh" right now. You guys have to try it before you attack me for this. Because, no. Never mind. I don't want to explain anymore. Fine. I don't want. No, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Do you know how to swim?
This was for like 10 seconds in the stream. How do you guys notice that?
I have some shit.
What is this?
There's people shooting by me.
Bro, I'm Miyoung. I literally look like Miyoung.
I'm sorry, what? Dude, what? Oof, this is why I can't watch these videos, okay? This is why I can't watch these videos. Are you kidding me? Non-stop. The disrespect around here, non-stop. That's just crazy to me. That's insane. That's crazy. You're gonna keep doing that to me. What? No. What do you mean it gets better? Okay, you know, we can... Fine. We'll watch for a little bit more, but only a little bit. Only a little bit. What is this?
I am the king! I am the best!
What did Sean build?
Mother of munchies!
Mushroom!
Oh, he threw.
Oh god.
This game.
It's the jump. I keep meaning to F.
Oh
but I
god.
jump. Where's your arm?
Wow, where'd your arms go, man?
Ooh, that's pretty funny. How are you supposed to attack back? Okay, that was good.
Why is that kid so like hot?
What? Wait, I just did the same thing. That's how you know that was my genuine reaction.
That was funny. Okay. All right. Non-stop. It's just non-stop. Let me tell you what. Nabi can sit. He can. Okay.
At this current part.
Give you.
Well, that's on you.
Okay. You know what? No. Nabi. Okay. You know what? Hold on. Fine. I'll prove it right here, right now. Let me go ahead and. Okay. This is where. Okay. Right here. Okay. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. Oh, he's already sitting. See? Look at that. Oh, who's a good boy? Wow, look at you. Wow, he knows how to sit. Look at that. Nabi, sit. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Wow. Don't go too crazy. Nabi, sit. Oh my god, what a good boy. Lay down. Oh my god, yeah, Nabi, look at... Wow, he's so smart. smart. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Navi, yeah. Oh my god, you're so smart. You're so smart boy. Yeah, okay, alright. Well, see? Didn't have to prove it again now, did I? Pretty good. Pretty smart. Abby, you're a genius. Don't let others tell you what you aren't. Alright.